In today's episode, we'll be drawing Deadpool. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K. Hello everyone, we'll be drawing Deadpool today. So we're going to start off with a circle for the head. This version of Deadpool will be slightly more cartoon, childlike. So I'm going to start off with the head. And yes, thanks Yusuf for requesting to draw Deadpool. Thank you so much for your request. Whoever needs to request, you can drop a comment down below. So I'm going to continue on to the left hand. Just a simple line outwards and just 2 fingers. And then continue on to the body and to the other hand. Moving on to the legs and the feet. It's more like a rectangular oval, sort of an oval shape downwards. The feet are actually pressed together. It's like doing a jumping pose. And the details of the Deadpool, the details of the outfit. The waist area, which is the belt, curved line. And the rest of the details. It's more of a symmetrical design for the outfit. Gonna draw on the sleeves and the right hand holding his sword. Now moving on to the sword itself, curved line upwards and then to join and go downwards. The detailing of the sword. And the other one slung at the back. Oval shaped eyes for the mask. So you can always erase and alter your lines to make it look right. So there you go. We're done with the drawing. Now we're gonna color. We'll be using red and black for the outfit. So I used color pencils and Copic marker for the red and Sharpie for the black. And for the sword handle, a brown color Sharpie as well. Alright, thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If there's any more requests, you can drop it on a comment below. Thanks everyone, bye!